To install the event plugin, open the marketplace in the top right corner. Search for events and install it. After the installation is complete, we go to the dashboard and follow the steps. First, we create an event. When you click on Create, you will be redirected to the Event System page. Click on New to create a new event. Enter a title for the event. Then select the date and time of the event. Click on Price to set a price. In our case, it is free of charge. You have many other options. For example, you can specify that the event is recurring, or you can limit the number of participants. Once you have created the event, let's move on to creating an event widget. The event widget allows users to participate in an event. Click on Creation Mode and scroll down to Plugins. Expand the Event System group. Click on Specific Event. Define a title and a description and select an image. Click on the Specific Event tab and select the event you created earlier. Click on Add to create the widget. Next, we want to review our checkout process by clicking on Rules and Payment Methods. Here, we want the user to create an account and enter the full address. Try it out. Click on Live and participate on the event. Let's now call up the Event Manager and take a look at our participants. At this point, we can cancel the event for a specific participant.